Hello! Welcome to the Zinfi Technologies Partner Ecosystem Management video series. Please click on the subscribe button for informative videos on various aspects of partner ecosystem management. In the intricate world of partner management, there's a silent hero at play: emotional intelligence, or EQ. It's the key to unlocking success in an arena where relationships and challenges are the name of the game. Let's delve into the power of EQ in partner management. EQ is more than just a buzzword, it's a critical skill. It empowers partner managers to understand and manage their own emotions and those of others. This leads to more effective communication, sound decision-making, and stronger partner relationships. Navigating challenges and conflicts. Challenges and conflicts are par for the course in partner ecosystems. However, partner managers with high EQ can navigate these situations adeptly. They resolve disputes, manage stress, and keep their partner relationships positive. Leadership qualities. EQ and leadership go hand in hand. Research shows that leaders with high EQ motivate teams better, handle conflicts effectively, and drive performance. In partner management, these qualities are paramount for achieving business objectives. Knowledge of other cultures. In our globalized business world, partner managers often collaborate with partners from diverse countries and cultures. A global outlook and cultural empathy are vital traits for success, enhancing their effectiveness in managing international partnerships. The role of EQ in relationship management. At the core of partner management lies relationship management. Partner managers with high EQ excel at building and nurturing strong relationships with partners, leading to fruitful partnerships and superior business outcomes. EQ and performance. Research confirms that high EQ individuals perform better in their jobs. In partner management, it translates into effective communication, wise decision-making, and enhanced partner relationships, all driving superior business performance. Developing EQ. While some are born with high EQ, it's a skill that can be cultivated. Strategies include self-awareness exercises, empathy training, and stress management techniques. Developing EQ empowers partner managers to boost their effectiveness and success. EQ and technology. In a world where technology is transforming business, EQ remains invaluable. As partner management becomes more automated and data-driven, understanding and managing emotions continue to be pivotal in nurturing partner relationships. EQ can be a game changer in partner management, propelling partner managers and their organizations toward success. With the global business landscape evolving, high EQ individuals are poised to lead companies to prosperous partnerships and better business outcomes. For more insights and resources on the power of EQ in partner management, visit our website or get in touch with us. Elevate your partner management game with EQ. Thank you for watching Zinfi Technologies Partner Ecosystem Management video series. If you've enjoyed this video, please click on the like button. Please click on the subscribe button to stay informed on a variety of best practices for building a high-performing partner ecosystem using programs, process, people, and technology platforms. Hope to connect with you soon and have a great day!